How to disable WhatsApp Face ID lock on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. As you can see, the WhatsApp app is locked. You need to unlock it with your Face ID. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. If you want to disable the Face ID lock, then go to the bottom right corner and tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and go to Privacy. Over here, scroll down and tap on App Lock. And then, turn off the Require Face ID switch as shown. You'll no longer need to use Face ID to unlock WhatsApp. Following these steps, you can easily disable WhatsApp Face ID lock on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.